All right, what's up? We're here in Princeton, New Jersey, and there is a summer sidewalk sale going on today. It's an annual event here, and let's do a weather check and also a time check. So it's Saturday, August 1st, 2026. Right now it's 4:29 p.m. 86 degrees, but it feels warmer. It feels like it's 90 something. I don't know if the temperature is wrong on the phone. But yeah, there's a little bit of humidity today. It's not like super bad. So we're trying to get up to the festival, whatever you want to call it. I'm kind of calling it a festival today, but it's like an annual thing that they have here. So we're going to see what's going on. It's up here in Palmer Square, and Palmer Square is kind of the downtown area here in Princeton. So we're gonna check it out. We got a little big guy here shooting in HLG HDR. Star of the show, little big guy, LBG. There's not supposed to be any rain today, but I don't know. It almost looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm not sure. And we're walking with the new bag, the new Adidas bag I got for the camera. So let's see how that goes today. Like a lot of these bags have zippers that make noise. I'm trying to calm the zipper noise. It might not happen all the way, but we're trying to calm it down pretty good. So let's see what we can do. So let's go. Yeah, so I was kind of looking for where to go today. I wanted to go to the city, but I just didn't feel like it got too late. And yeah, the Jersey Shore, we covered a bunch of places already, so this is definitely kind of a sleeper spot, I guess you could say. I don't know, because it's Princeton and it's not school season. We come out here on the school season, so today is just a little bit different, because I don't think I've been out here without the school season going on, like in the summertime. So I always wanted to actually see what it looks like here in the summertime. So we're gonna check it out today. I do have my live stream equipment on me, so we may do a live stream. I'm not sure once we get up there. So we're gonna stroll. Right now we're on Route 27. This is a street, highway, whatever you want to call it. It's like a side street kind of main highway kind of thing, and it goes pretty far up. So this goes down this way, Princeton, and it goes up to like Edison area, near where the Menlo Park Mall is. It doesn't go up to like Manhattan, which I had some information from ChatGPT that told me one time it goes up towards like Newark, this highway, this street right here I'm talking about, we're walking along. But it ends, from what I know, around the Menlo Park Mall. And I've mentioned before, this spot kind of has a New York City vibe, I think. I feel a New York City vibe here when I come to Princeton, so it definitely has that city vibe to it once you get down here. It's kind of in the middle of a rural area. There's like, it's kind of woodsy till you get here. But once you get here, it is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, there's quite a bit of people already, we can see. And yeah, I'm just getting warmed up. I was a little sleepy today. I'm up though. I'm good. We're good. We're good. Hopefully it doesn't rain. There's not supposed to be any rain, but it almost looks like there's going to be something. I don't know. The sky looks like there's a big cloud. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're getting up to the area here. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people up here, it looks like. All right, so we're in the downtown area now. This is the downtown area.
What sign is on for all crossing? What sign is on for all crossing? What sign is
No, that would be. Oh no. Maybe, oh no. I don't know if I was going to ice it. Like actually.
Trying to see what he says about that stuff. He gets pretty weirdly passionate about it.
I'm like,
I'm sure. And you should be.
it's really cute when I say
I'd rather him put that energy into something more useful.
yeah.
The thing is, he's not going to get out of that.
So bad.
His acceptance, like, he's very heavily determined by what to do. They think that is very obvious.
Really dry. I'm gonna rain terror soccer season for the high school season. I'm gonna rain terror.
How about you fucking retard?
I didn't do it. Coach knows me. He was making fun of me earlier. Yeah, dude. We were like all drill.
Also, like, you don't want to do this. I know, I'd be like, it's also fun. Like, it's more fun. How do you know? It's way bigger. I don't know. It's way bigger. Yeah. And the house is all
Yeah, but
I didn't realize
There's this point in freshman year.
all
Like the entire
No, dude, during your recruiting class, during your recruiting class, you definitely could come up.
I was never in a box.
I didn't know where I was.
Then they got so good.
So weird. I haven't known.
Wow, so there's a lot of people here. This place is really jumping today. Wow, this is like Manhattan. I'm serious. Wow, there's a lot of people here. At the university, there's a lot of people over that way. It's just really jumping. So let's go over this way. The Palmer Square area.
Right, and you go to enjoy it. You don't have choice. Right, you want to enforce the commandedness. It's a responsibility. Yeah.
So yeah, I've said it before. This kind of reminds me of a mini Bryant Park for some reason. It's not really the same thing, but it kind of has that vibe for me. I don't know why. It's not the same thing though, I know. It's different size park. This is like a little cool, it's this thing right here, this Palmer Square. Right here, this Palmer Square little thingamajiggy here in the middle. So yeah, let's just walk. There's so many people here. Wow, this is a good event. All right, the freestyle. They're playing the freestyle. Good stuff. I like to jam the freestyle too. A lot of people do in the summertime, yeah. So this is Palmer Square West. They got a lot of stores down here, a lot of stuff going on down this way. So let's take a stroll over here. Wow, there's a lot going on down here. Trying to silence the zippers here. I think we're doing okay. I'm not sure.